Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARYC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be done. First update, just a little house cleaning, get rid of that line there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So that was supposed to be green. There we go. So 0.118, for those of you that did watch the video from Monday, was an area of resistance, but now that the price is up above there, that would be one of the newest areas of support. The ideal level of support going into Tuesday would be right up here at 12.5 cents. Meaning if the price could stay above 12.5, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. With that being said, though, I am not saying that if the price drops below 12.5 cents that the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. I'm just saying if the price could somehow manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, as discussed yesterday, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above the move or is above that purple line, so how do you judge the health of the move? That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch the purple line, and as long as the price is above it, the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. What about next potential areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, key level right up there at 0.137, and nothing fancy behind that other than the fact that the price, that's just where the party stopped today. But all in all, nice movement today, and as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.